Hello everyone, welcome to day 16. Today we are going to understand one of the key problem statement have been asked at the time of interview, and the problem statement is get even numbers from the array, right? And here I have given the input, like input starting from 1 to 10, and you know this thing manually that we have total five even numbers like 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So I just want to print this value means even numbers in my console. So what might be my approach? We are going to discuss one of the key solution which is quite valid at the time of interview. So I recommend you that kindly write the code in the same way, and you have to decide what is the time complexity and what is the space complexity of the program which I have set up in the session. So let me move to the Eclipse window team and kindly pay attention over here. So the first thing what we have to do here, we have to create a class right from a project 2025, and I'll give the name of a class as day 16, and I need to add the main method, right? Just I have to give here main method, and before I try to call any method, I have to set the user defined method public static void, I can say even numbers, right? And try to pass an integer array as a parameter. Now what will be my first step? I have to write the comment. I have to create an object of string builder class, because if you see the main root of this problem statement, the output is set up in the curly bracket only. See, it is starting from open curly bracket and close curly bracket, and therefore I have to utilize one of the inbuilt class given by Java, and the name of the class is string builder. So I have to start from this, right? I have to give a string builder, just create an object of string builder class, just give any name of the object over here, and kindly pass curly bracket, which is actually the starting point. And after this I have to use for each loop I can set integer, but as we have already given single dimensional array, so I can use any other variable, like I can use here number, and inside I have to give the condition like if number module 2 equal to 0. And before I give any condition, I think I have to declare here one more variable, that boolean result equals to true, because if it is true then it will be added the comma right in each and every number, right, which is actually even number. So I have to give here if that it is not a result, right, then what will be happen, it will be getting here str dot append, just give here comma. All right, in between we have to give comma, then after I have to end up by semicolon. And now after this what will happen, it will become like I can say str dot append, I have to give a number, right, it will be added of each and every number, then after I have to make it result will become false. Once it is done, then I have to come out of this loop and try to write here str dot append. I just need to give here curly bracket at the end, and now I need to print system.out.println, I can say str dot toString. All right, so our code is ready for execution. So now in the main method I have to declare or create an array like single dimensional array, and try to set here, suppose I am giving a value, and set the value which I have given here as an input. Alright, we have just set up to 10, and as intentionally we have made a method as static, so I have to give a number. Now we need to save. Let's check the output whether it is working fine or not. And you can see here team, we have got the output from the same array which we have we have obtained from the problem statement, right? And the output is also being same, you can see here, right? Now it is your turn to give me the time complexity and specs complexity of the given method. I believe it will be giving you the more idea about the data structure of the method, like we are using complexity of each and every method. So you have to decide, is it big of n or big of n square, or it is a constant big of 1. So I will wait for your output, I will wait for your response in the comment box. And if you have not further subscribe my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you team, have a great day.